Ask Me Monkey Nuts. It's me, Jack, live from the Monkey House. And if you're just joining us, welcome to the Monday afternoon and evening Dessert Dash. That's right. What is a dessert dash, you ask? I'll tell you. It's your challenge to move as quickly as you can toward desserts. I mean, who doesn't want their dessert sooner, right? So, you gotta blend physical fitness and sweets into one activity. It's the dessert dash. And what are we playing for this round? I'll tell you, a good old-fashioned bowl of ice cream. This one's dedicated to anyone out there who, even though it's fall, has some pretty warm temperatures where you are. Yeah, this one's gonna cool you down. Here we go. On your marks, audience. Get set. Go! And they're off. They're running for some delicious ice cream. Just be sure you slow down in time to stop for the ice cream. You're gonna run right into it. Watch out!